Before you begin, remove the display bezel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Partially remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Remove the four 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel to the display enclosure. Lift the display panel off of its alignment pins and place it face down on the top cover. Caution: take care not to scratch the display panel screen. Peel back the retention tape that secures the display panel cable to the display panel and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the display panel. Remove the display panel. Replacement. Place the display panel face down on the top cover. Caution: take care not to scratch the display panel screen. Insert the display panel cable into its connector on the display panel and replace the retention tape. Lift the display panel and place it onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the four 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel to the display enclosure. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.